back to 20 car. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG One Concept doesn't just blur the line between road and track, it erases it with the precision of a Stuttgart-engineered scalpel. Visually arresting exterior and distinctive detailing, the AMG One is a rolling paradox, a Formula One car cloaked in road-going civility. Its aerodynamic silhouette, honed in wind tunnels that birthed championship-winning silver arrows, slices through air like a whisper in a hurricane. The active aero elements, vents, flaps, and a rear wing, morph on demand, transforming the car from GT cruiser to track predator in milliseconds. The laser-cut LED lighting pulses like a heartbeat, a nod to its hybrid electric soul. Pioneering interior innovations. Step inside, and the AMG One greets you with a cockpit ripped straight from Lewis Hamilton's wildest dreams. The F1-style steering wheel, studded with tactile controls, puts launch modes and brake balances at your fingertips. The floating 10-inch OLED display curves around the driver, projecting telemetry so vivid you can almost smell the tire temps. The skeletal carbon fiber seats, wrapped in microfiber and cooled by hidden vents, hug you like a G-force cocoon. State-of-the-art performance. At its core lies a 1.6 liters turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain, lifted from Mercedes' championship-dominating F1 car, with 1,050 combined horsepower and an 11,000 revolutions per minute redline. It catapults from 0-100 kilometers height in 2.3 seconds, quicker than a free-falling skydiver. The all-wheel drive torque vectoring and pushrod suspension translate racetrack physics to public roads, making apexes feel like destiny. Market adversaries and competitive edge. The AMG One stares down the Aston Martin Valkyrie and McLaren Speedtail, but its authentic F1 DNA and German obsessive-compulsive engineering set it apart. This isn't a homage to racing, it's racing incarnate.